What's up? It's your girl Ari, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my pantry. I'm going to be organizing it with all the containers. I'm going to show you guys before what it's looking like. It's not the worst, but it needs some help for sure. We have these little child locks up here so that Z can't get in. This is what it's looking like right now. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is take out some of the things that I'm actually going to put in containers instead, and just move some things out the way so that they're not, you know, so I can access it. Got all my vitamins and probiotics. This is actually baking soda. So the brown sugar, that is going to go in the container. There is flour all over this thing. I'm glad I wore my work robe, okay? And that's why, because the flour is busted open. Honey. And we're gonna put that in some because that's a mess. It's a whole mess. Let me clean that up. I bet some of y'all use these for your home cooked cookies, you know, little baked goods and stuff. We don't do that here, so I'll put these Oreos in there. I know that's right. It's actually pretty big, so that was like a normal size thing of Oreos, and it's less than halfway full, so good. Okay, so I'm just gonna twist the top on. Psych, that's not how it works. I'm just gonna put the top on and then pop it, and then it's sealed. I'm sorry if my chaos is confusing y'all a little bit, but I'm gonna move up and throw some things on this organizer. I love that this thing expands, so if you need more space, you got it. And you know, as you start running out of things, you can consolidate it. It don't fit. That's okay, we don't use salt anyway, so I'm gonna put these in the back of the bag. This is like overflow because we already have some bay leaves over there. And we have our spices, so that's also gonna stay in the back. We don't really use this adobo either. You know, sodium is not great for you, so, but we do use this onion powder and pepper, and it just barely fits inside there, so thank you Jesus. And then we also have some coffee rub. This is, I like it. My husband does not like the flavor of this, but I really do like it. So I'm gonna put it in the back of that one so it's not all in his face. Again, this is extra pepper, so I'm actually gonna put that in the back. This is extra oregano, so we can throw that back there. And then I want to put his little hot sauces in the front. We got some vanilla. This is also overflow. Got a whole bunch of sazon. We don't really use this too much, so I'm going to put this in the back. We got some yeast. I always just keep my taco seasonings in a Ziploc because we don't always use them, but I figure they're good to have just in case. I think the next thing I'm gonna do is the Cheez-Its, because, you know, snacks. This whole thing ain't gonna fit. I lied. It's a whole miracle. Okay. Now, I want the same one for that one, but I don't have another one like that. So maybe I'm just gonna wait, get another container and fill it up like that. I have 3 containers left now, so I'm trying to be thoughtful about what I put in them. I do want to put pasta in them, but I want pasta to stay on the top shelf, so if they can't fit up there, it's not going in. Yes, okay. So I think I'm gonna put the rotini in one. I don't know what I'm talking about. Perfect. And this one's cool because it actually pops open like that, so you can pour it in here. And since that fit, this box of pain should also fit. I need to get more containers basically. So when I come back and start filming this again, I'm actually gonna clear everything out and then put in, you know, put it back nicely so it actually looks good. And I will have more containers because obviously I need a few more containers. So yeah, that's just where I'm at right now.
Everything you do, it's me, love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you, that's true.